I'm Alfredo and I'm presenting the history of Cologne. One such essential that we often use throughout our regular lives is cologne or perfume. Perfume is a substance made of natural or synthetic materials. It is usually a combination of both to make something new that has an extravagant scent. Smelling good is something each and every one of us want, but the truth is, what is the chemistry of this everyday fragrance? Is there a difference between cologne and perfume? Yes, the difference is there are true perfumes called extracts or essences containing a greater amount of perfume oils and are more expensive than colognes and toilet waters. Perfumes are in many consumer products that you would not know, like soap, especially soap bars. In reality, we do not always know if applying something so minor can cause health hazards. Being aware of the side effects can sometimes be more important than you think. Colognes and perfumes are something that go way back into ancient civilizations. The manufacturing of perfumes first began in Mesopotamia and Egypt and then was later improved by the Persians and Romans. During these times, people used ingredients such as herbs and spices and even flowers. Perfume making is not something new that has been recently introduced. It goes back to Renaissance times in Western Europe. In Europe, having perfume was an indication of wealth, and they were often used to cover up reeking odors from not bathing. Europe did not use perfume much until the 16th century when Catherine de' Medici came to Italy to marry the future king. She wore gloves of perfumed leather, and suddenly everybody wanted this. Over the years, many things have been changed over time and people began experimenting with new chemicals. This all began at the end of the 19th century throughout the 20th century. The traditional materials like flowers, plants, oils, waters, and alcohol have been left behind for synthetic materials. Some fragrances have basic ingredients like beeswax, rosewater, and various plants. In today's perfumes, however, you are likely to find ingredients like civet musk, denatured water, alcohol, and synthetic plant extracts. The chemicals used in a perfume and fragrances are called essential oils, better known as essences. Perfumes are mixtures of fragrance, essential oils, and aroma compounds. All of these can evaporate very quickly when left open, and are generally derived from the leaves of flowers or plants.
Hello, my name is Octavio Gonzalez, and I will be presenting the chemistry of cologne. In the 19th century, cologne was made out of natural essential oils, waters, and other natural sources such as plants and animals. The world's first recorded chemist is considered to be a woman named Taputi. She distilled flowers, oil, and calamus with other aromatics, then filtered and put them back in still several times. Later in time, the process of making fragrance sprays was better due to the fact that more ingredients were added. They would use natural essential oils, water, and aromatic sources such as plants, animals, and other natural sources. Now we use synthetic ingredients and sources, chemicals, solvents and fixatives, and alcohols. In the 21st century, other ingredients include natural plants and flowers, and even coal. Water, or H2O, is used during the making to create the state of matter of the product, which is liquid. To create the aroma of the fragrance spray, chemists use essential oils. These essential oils have been extracted from a source material directly through distillation or expression and obtained in the form of an oily liquid. Now in modern times, the essential oils can be synthetic or natural. They are both used to result in a different scent. Most perfumes use a blend of aromas that are usually found in concentrated essential oils. There is a formula that goes with each perfume in order to reach that particular scent you are trying to get. Chemists use concentrated oils because they can improve the intensity and longevity of the scent and the all-around state of the cologne. They also add different types of alcohols to mix well with the synthetic oils and prevent skin irritation or allergic reactions to the buyers of the product. One of the ingredients used is ethanol, C2H6O, which is a solvent with water which reflect the perfume type and make the spray less potent. This is a hydrophilic compound is used to purify fragrant materials. It is also used to absorb the aroma from the odorous oils. Other aromatic sources can include plant, tree bark, leaves, fruits, seeds, and sometimes animal-produced products like honeycomb and deer musk. The ingredients are mixed together to create one powerful liquid meant to be conspicuous. There are other unprecedented ingredients that are very important when making colognes or perfumes. Two of those being glycerin and phthalides. Glycerin, C3HO3, is a colorless, odorless compound that preserves the scent of the cologne or perfume. This allows the perfume or cologne not to spoil when idle. Phthalides is another substance added to the fragrance to make them last longer. All fragrance sprays include water, essential oils, alcohols, aroma producers, and other fixatives. The proper chemistry units inside of fragrance sprays such as colognes and perfumes include H2O, negative OH, 6,2H6O, and C3HO3. H2O, which is liquid water, is the main ingredient of the product since it is what creates the state of matter. This compound can be considered the main ingredient in the process of making fragrance sprays. Another important chemical in the bottle is alcohol. Alcohols can be noticed in their proper unit by seeing the negative OH. One of the solvent fixatives used is ethanol. Ethanol's units are 6,2H6O, which is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Another fixative used is glycerin, which is C3H8O3. This compound, similar to ethanol, is made of carbon, a lot of hydrogen, and oxygen. These fixatives are all connected together because they all deal with the same thing. They try to preserve the smell and the overall liquid spray. All in all, colognes are mostly made of liquid and gases. The liquid portion is shown in H2O and negative OH alcohols. The gas portion of these products are in the fixatives and solvents such as 6, which is glycerin.
The scents come from different places, but mostly essential oils. Most perfume scents are made by mixing 3 kinds of essential oils. Scents that fade quickly are called top notes. Middle notes last for a few hours and provide the dominant scent of the perfume. Then there are the base notes, made of exotic materials. Today, we know the chemical nature of these essential oils, and therefore they can be made in a chemical factory. When you mix up different oils, you can make a perfume that resembles the nature of one. Perfumes are also used in products like cosmetics, deodorants, laundry detergent, toilet soap, and personal hygiene products. Food as well contains perfumes such as soft drinks and chewing gum. Dental hygiene products like toothpaste and mouthwash contain aroma chemicals.